nima ekan bolajonlar? Bahor? Spring. Spring. Okay, how? Next question. What day is today? What day is today? Bugun haftaning qaysi kuni bolajonlar? Bugun chorshanba. Chorshanba nima deymiz?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yes. Chorshanba nima ekan? Wednesday. Okay, let's count the days of the week. Hafta kunlarini sanaymiz bola. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Okay, let's repeat. Qaytaramiz bolajonlar. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Okay, well done. Clap. Yes. Bravo, children. So, children, last lesson, what did we learn? Bola, o'tgan mashg'ulotda nimalar o'rgandik sizlar bilan? We learned about birds in English, yes? Demak, ingliz tilida qushlarni o'rgandik bolajonlar. Xo'p, qushlar nima ekan bolajonlar? Birds. Aytamiz. Birds. Birds. Okay, what kind of birds do you know? Qanaqa qushlar bilasizlar bolalar? Qanaqa qushlar bor?
Bird.